Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here, December, so we're gonna create a holiday nice kind of smoky kind of green look. So if you want to see how I put these green shades together to match my green shirts, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her.
Okay, so I've already primed my lid, and today I'm using my P. Louis base, the one and only. And I'm actually gonna use one shadow, or it's gonna be green, but I'm gonna use a couple different shades of green, and I'm gonna do like just a full matte look. Just something simple that people can do for every day. I know something that I say simple and it never really ends up being simple, but I promise this look is gonna be simple, and you don't need to have like a whole ton of shadows to do it, and anybody can do it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start with this palette. This is the Muerte palette, and that's from Melt, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Duelo. I've been just butchering these Spanish words, and then we're gonna go into I'm gonna use this 209 by Makeup by Yolanda, and then I'm just patting this all over. I love this green. I know it's hella dark, but it's okay. Don't you worry about it. I'm smelling like a shadow. Kind of like a really strong glue smell. I have the most amazing senses, so I can smell things like most people won't be able to smell, but I can smell it. And then I'm just buffing the edges right here a little bit. I love these 204s from Makeup by Yolanda to blend. It just blends so well. So I'm gonna go. So now we're gonna put on this palette. I love this green, and I'm gonna go into this palette right here by Makeup by Yolanda. This is Jamrock, and I'm gonna use two greens from here. I'm gonna use Yardi and Tropical. So first we're gonna go in with Yardi. Gonna tap this here. This brush is so good for this, for blending. I feel like even if you can't even blend very well, if you have this brush, you're good. So, and now I'm gonna clean this up a little bit again, and we're gonna go into Tropical. I think Tropical is gonna lighten it up just a little bit. You blend that very well, because this shades are pretty, or green is pretty bold, so, and can look pretty dark because of the shades of green I use. So you want to make sure you blend this nicely. It's gonna be this is so simple, guys, so simple. And sometimes it'd be the everyday looks that people can use to just go to a little dinner or something, and then because not everybody have the time or the skills sometimes to be just super crazy with the makeup. And I want to give you guys these looks that you can do. I'm just re-intensifying that green, for that first green. Put this here, and then we're gonna go back to this, and then I'm just that's it. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyes are done. I'm back. I know this is heavily smoky and maybe not every day, but I cannot give that disclaimer in the beginning of my video. Sometimes I say it's gonna be simple and cute. I mean, it's cute, but I know it's hella smoky. So yeah, But we're gonna jump into the face. Today I'm actually using my Tatcha Silk Canvas, and this one is the liquid. I have the other one somewhere here. I have no idea where it is. But so actually I just saw this foundation here. It's from Clinique. It's the Beyond Perfecting, and it's foundation and concealer. So I haven't used this in a minute. Is it too dark? Maybe it should be fine. Didn't know. I'm gonna use my 732 from Luxie. Yeah, this foundation is a little bit too dark. Not crazy, but it is. I think that's why I wasn't maybe using it. This is like more of a summer shade. I feel like the reason why I don't really use this foundation a lot too, like I feel this is like, what coverage is this? But it says concealer and foundation. Yeah, it said naturally, which I mean sometimes naturally can be full coverage, but most of the time it's not. Naturally is not full coverage. And let's do a one size for our concealer. Just put a little bit here. And let's use our Tress stick. I'm thirsty. Not sure why I was doing this. I'm obsessed with like these. I don't like turtlenecks, but I like mock necks, kind of like this. They're pretty similar. One is just like taller, but that makes the difference for me. You know, like I don't like pancakes, but I like waffles. I don't know. Just fixing my lashes while this concealer is drying a little bit. Be careful with this concealer though, because it can dry pretty dry. Which maybe that wasn't the best concealer for me to use today, because my skin is a little bit dry, but you know, I'll make it work. I think I'm gonna do my lip a little bit vampy, since my eye is hella dark like this. You know. I'm gonna use this makeup by Yolando, and this one is in shade Honey. Again, these are not my favorite. I'm really just using them so I can finish them up. They will not be repurchased. A lot of people love her powder. Unfortunately, I don't, and that's okay. You know, like that's why there's like tons of people. A makeup company doing different things for different people, different formulas. I love her base. I love her eyeshadow base. I love her eyeshadows. Fortunately, her powders do not work for me, and don't come for me. Cause that's fine. Like there's nothing wrong with me not liking her powders. I don't like it. I don't like it. And people get all so sensitive. I'm like, calm down. It's not everybody's gonna like everything from every person. You understand what I'm saying? Like it just, if I don't like it, it's all good. If I don't like it and you love it, it's also all good. Like there's literally no problem in that. But it's gotten to a place where, you know, people just feel like if you don't like one product from the brand, you hate the brand. No, I actually like her other stuff. I like her lipsticks. I only have 3 from her, but I really like those. I love her shadows. I love her eyeshadow base. See, I feel like her thing just stays there. Like whenever I put her powder, there's no movement, and I don't like that. Okay, let's go and put a little bit of base. Okay, so let's go in with that dark green that's on my lid. I'm gonna put this in my waterline. This is what? Whirlpool from Marc Jacobs.
You know I'm a party with her, with her, with her. Yeah, yeah. Even when
Okay, now I need to put some green.
I still wanna party with her.
But remember, we're gonna do all matte, so I can't do a shimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this shade right here. This one, because this one is a shimmer, but this one is a matte. And let's see how we're gonna make her work.
She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the
See, I'm trying to make it just like right here, but I want it to pop a little bit.
I don't wanna let it down, so I'm telling her
Yep, done, done, it's done. Lips is gross. Let's use this bronzer. This is from Juvia's Place, and then I'm gonna use this and then this to buff the edges.
with my baby words up. Always down every week, yeah. No, I love it too much, but I just can't get it.
Jesus Christ. I want a tad bit heavy with that bronzer. Just a little bit. I'm gonna use Glisten from Tarte. And let's put a little Makeup by Orlando. This one is what shade? This is Water Glow.
Slept until it's Thursday. She don't wanna leave me now just yet. Told me all about last Friday when she went all crazy. Didn't go
Okay, so yeah, lips. I do want something a little bit. Is that vampy? Yeah. This is Very Berry from Huda. And let's use 504. Is that 504? Yeah, from Kylie. Checking my time. Okay, let's dust up this powder because that is not the business. Just giving the hair just a little bit of something, nothing crazy. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I love how this look. I know it's vampy and dark and you know, but why not? And I have it to kind of like match my top. So yeah, so that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.
even when it don't feel right. You know I'm a party with her, with her, with her. Yeah, yeah.